Hello and welcome back to Confident English Cast.
Hi, everyone. We are happy you are here today.
My name is Henry.
And I'm Sophia.
On this podcast, we practice real English with easy words,
Yes, simple English, slow English, friendly English.
and sometimes funny English when Henry tries to cook.
That is always an adventure.
Thank you for joining us. Today we have a warm topic.
A delicious topic.
We are talking about food.
Favorite food, daily meals, and food memories.
Just a warning. This episode may make you hungry.
Henry is already hungry.
That is true. I ate breakfast, but my stomach forgot.
Your stomach has a short memory.
Before we start, how are you today, Sophia?
I'm good. I feel bright and ready. How are you, Henry?
I'm fine. A little tired, but food talk gives me energy.
Food talk is like a small battery.
Yes, a tasty battery.
So what did you do last weekend?
I did something very adult.
Oh, what?
I went to a big food market.
That is not adult. That is fun.
I know. I try to look serious, but I'm holding snacks.
What did you buy at the market?
I bought fresh bread, and tomatoes, and cheese.
That sounds like a good plan.
I also bought one small cake.
One small cake, sure.
Okay, it was not that small.
Honest Henry is back.
What about you? What did you do on the weekend?
On Saturday, I visited my aunt. She cooks very well.
Uh-oh, a strong food person.
Yes, she made a big pot of lentil soup.
Lentil soup. That is warm and cozy.
Exactly. Then on Sunday, I stayed home and relaxed.
Did you cook?
I made a simple noodle bowl.
Sophia's simple is my impossible.
Henry, you can boil noodles.
I can, but I look at the pot like it might attack me.
The noodles are not dangerous.
Hot water is dangerous.
Okay, careful, Henry.
Now, let's jump into our main topic, favorite foods.
Yes, this is a great conversation topic for English learners.
You can ask friends, classmates, or coworkers.
What is your favorite food? Easy question.
But the answer is not always easy.
True, some people love many foods.
I love many foods. My heart is very open.
Your stomach is also very open.
Henry, what is your favorite food?
Okay, I will try to choose one.
One food, only one.
My favorite food is noodles.
Noodles. Great choice. What kind of noodles?
That is the problem. There are so many kinds.
Give us one example.
I love a hot noodle soup with vegetables and egg.
That sounds comforting.
It is. The soup is warm, the noodles are soft.
And you can add many things, right?
Yes. You can add green onions, mushrooms, tofu, chicken.
So noodles are flexible.
Exactly. They fit my mood.
What do you mean, fit my mood?
If I feel cold, I want hot soup noodles.
Okay.
If I feel busy, I want quick fried noodles.
Fried noodles can be a little oily sometimes.
Yes. We will talk about that later.
The greasy part is coming.
Oh no, the hard vocabulary is coming.
Don't worry, we will explain everything.
Sophia, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with curry.
Curry. Nice.
I love the smell, I love the color, I love the taste.
Is it spicy?
Sometimes, but not always.
My mouth is a little weak.
Your mouth is not weak. Your mouth is polite.
My mouth says no thank you to spicy food.
That is okay. Curry can be mild. Mild means not very spicy.
Mild, good word.
I also like curry because it can have vegetables, fish, eggs, or beans.
Like noodles, curry is flexible.
Yes, food that can change is fun.
Let's talk about why we like our favorite foods.
Great idea. Henry, why noodles?
Noodles feel friendly.
Friendly noodles.
Yes, when I eat noodles, I feel calm.
That is a strong feeling.
And noodles are easy to share.
True. Many people eat noodles together.
Also, noodles are not fancy.
You like simple food.
I do. I am a simple person.
But you also bought a big cake.
I am simple, not perfect.
My turn. Why rice with curry?
Yes, tell us.
Curry is full of flavor.
Flavor. That is an important word.
Flavor means the taste and smell together.
Nice.
Curry can be salty, a little sweet, and sometimes a little spicy.
Many tastes in one dish.
Yes. And rice is calm. Rice is like a soft pillow for curry.
That is a funny picture.
Thank you. Curry jumps on the rice pillow.
And then Henry eats it.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about toppings.
Toppings, a fun word.
When you eat noodles, you can choose toppings.
Toppings are food you put on top of another food.
For noodles, toppings can be egg, green onion, or sesame seeds.
For curry, toppings can be fresh herbs, fried onion, or yogurt.
And for bread, toppings can be butter or jam.
Yes, toppings is very common in food talk.
Sophia, can I ask you a food question?
Always.
Do you like sweet food or salty food more?
I like both, but I think I like sweet more.
Sophia has a sweet side.
Yes, I love desserts.
My answer is salty.
Really?
Yes, I love salty snacks.
Like what?
Like roasted nuts, like chips, like popcorn with salt.
Popcorn is a good snack.
My problem is, I do not stop.
You eat the whole bowl.
I do. I say just a little, and then it is gone.
That is a common story.
Okay, let's go through the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Great. This is good practice for daily English.
Yes. You can say, for breakfast, I eat.
Or, I usually have.
Henry, what do you like for breakfast?
I like something quick.
That sounds like you.
My favorite breakfast is eggs and toast.
Simple and strong.
I like a soft egg, not too hard.
And your toast?
My toast is sometimes perfect.
Only sometimes?
Yes, sometimes it is too dark.
Too dark means a little burned.
Yes, burned toast is my special skill.
Henry, that is not a skill.
It is a skill. I do it again and again.
Repeating a mistake is not a skill.
Oh, that hurts, but it is true.
My breakfast is usually lighter.
What do you eat?
I like oatmeal with banana.
Oatmeal. Warm and easy.
Yes, and I add honey on top.
Honey is a topping too.
Correct. Honey is a sweet topping.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea.
Same. Coffee makes my heart run fast.
Like a little drum. Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, tea feels calmer.
I like milk tea or green tea.
Good choices.
What about lunch?
Lunch is tricky for me
Why?
because I get busy and forget lunch.
Oh no. Then you get hungry later.
Yes, and then I eat anything.
Like that big cake again.
Stop talking about the cake.
Okay, what is a good lunch for you?
A rice bowl is good, or a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Chicken and lettuce,
Nice.
and maybe a little sauce.
Sauce can be a topping too.
Yes, but if I put too much sauce, it becomes messy.
Henry with messy hands.
That is my normal life.
For lunch, I like leftovers.
Leftovers means food from yesterday, right?
Yes. Food you cooked before and you eat it later.
Leftovers are great,
They save time and money.
and they taste better sometimes.
True. Many soups taste better the next day.
Because the flavors have time to mix.
Exactly.
Now dinner. Dinner is the big meal for many people.
Yes. Dinner can feel special.
Sophia, what is your favorite dinner?
I love grilled fish with rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I try. But sometimes I want fried food.
Fried food is so tempting.
Yes. Fried chicken, fried potatoes, fried snacks.
Fried food is often greasy,
Greasy means with a lot of oil or fat.
and your fingers can feel oily after eating it.
Right. You need a napkin?
Or 10 napkins.
Henry, what is your favorite dinner?
A big bowl of noodles again.
Henry is loyal to noodles.
I am, but I also love dumplings.
Dumplings are great.
I like dumplings with a dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce. Nice phrase.
You dip the dumpling in the sauce.
Good explanation.
But dumplings can be heavy.
Heavy means you feel very full.
Yes. After dumplings, I move slowly, like a sleepy turtle.
A dumpling turtle.
Let's talk about comfort food.
Comfort food is a great phrase in English.
Sophia, what is your comfort food?
For me, comfort food is a warm bowl of lentil soup.
Like your aunt's soup?
Yes, it reminds me of family.
That is sweet.
It makes me feel safe and calm.
My comfort food is mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Soft and warm.
Yes. When I eat mashed potatoes, I feel like everything is okay.
Comfort food is not always fancy.
Exactly. It can be very simple.
Now let's talk about cooking.
Oh no, my weakness.
Henry, do you cook often?
I try.
That sounds dangerous.
I can cook a few things.
Like what?
I can cook rice most of the time.
Good start.
I can boil eggs.
Okay.
And I can make instant noodles.
Henry, that is not cooking.
It is cooking for beginners.
Fair?
Sophia, you cook more than me.
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you use recipes?
Yes, a recipe is instructions for cooking.
Like steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3.
Exactly. And a recipe tells you the ingredients.
Ingredients are the foods you need to make the dish.
Right? For example, for lentil soup, ingredients can be lentils, onion, garlic, salt, and water.
Garlic is strong.
Yes, garlic has a strong smell and taste.
I like it, but not too much.
Not too much is a useful phrase.
Sophia, do you ever change a recipe?
Sometimes,
How?
if I do not have one ingredient, I use another.
Like what?
If I do not have lemons, I use a little vinegar.
That gives a sour taste.
Yes, sour is like lemon.
Sweet, salty, sour, bitter.
Great taste words?
And spicy, too.
Yes, spicy is hot in your mouth.
Okay, now a silly question.
I love silly questions.
If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh wow, only one food?
Yes, one food forever.
I think I choose rice.
Rice is smart.
Because I can eat rice with vegetables, curry, eggs, fish.
Many meals start with rice.
Yes, rice is a base.
A base is the main bottom part of food.
Exactly.
My choice is maybe noodles.
Of course,
I am predictable.
predictable means easy to guess.
Yes, you can guess me. I am noodles.
Let's talk about food we do not like.
Yes, this is also real conversation.
Henry, what food do you dislike?
I dislike very bitter food,
Bitter like what?
like very dark coffee.
That makes sense.
And I do not like strong blue cheese.
Blue cheese is a powerful experience.
It tastes like a loud smell.
A loud smell. That is funny.
Thank you. My brain tries.
I dislike food that is too greasy.
Like deep-fried food?
Yes. Sometimes it feels heavy in my stomach.
Stomach is not happy
Exactly, but I still eat it sometimes.
because it tastes good.
Yes, life is balance.
Wise Sophia.
Now let's do a small role play.
Yes, role play is great for speaking practice.
Okay, you are at a food stall.
A food stall is a small place that sells food, often on the street.
Yes, and you are ordering noodles.
Perfect. I am ready.
Hello, what would you like?
Hi, I would like one bowl of noodles, please.
Sure, what toppings would you like?
Can I have egg and green onions, please?
Yes. Do you want it spicy?
Just a little spicy, please.
Great, eat here or take away.
Take away, please.
Okay, that will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Great job.
That was easy and useful.
And we used would like, please, and toppings.
Yes, very common words.
Now, let's slow down and teach some key vocabulary from today.
Yes, this is the learning part,
We will explain. Then we will give examples.
and you can repeat later when you practice.
Word 1, toppings.
Toppings are the foods you put on top of another food.
Example, cheese and mushrooms can be toppings on a baked potato.
Example, nuts and honey can be toppings on yogurt or oatmeal.
Word 2, recipe.
A recipe is instructions for cooking.
It tells you what to do, step by step.
Example, this recipe says cook the rice for 15 minutes.
Word 3, ingredients.
Ingredients are the foods you need for a recipe.
Example, the ingredients for pancakes are flour, eggs, milk, and sugar.
Simple and clear.
Word 4, greasy.
Greasy means with a lot of oil or fat.
Example, French fries can be greasy.
Example, after greasy food, your fingers feel oily.
Word 5, sweet and salty.
Sweet is the taste of sugar.
Example, cake, chocolate, and honey are sweet.
Salty is the taste of salt.
Example, chips, nuts, and soup can be salty.
Word 6, flavor.
Flavor means the taste and smell of food.
Example, this soup has a strong garlic flavor.
Example, this tea has a light, fresh flavor.
Word 7, frying.
Frying is a cooking method. You cook food in hot oil.
Example, they are frying chicken in oil,
Frying can make food crispy.
but it can also make food greasy.
Word 8. Comfort food.
Comfort food is food that makes you feel calm, safe, and better inside.
It can remind you of home, family, or childhood.
Sophia, let's do a quick mini quiz with these words.
Okay. Listeners, you can answer out loud.
Ready? Question 1. If food has a lot of oil, it is
Greasy.
good. Question 2. The foods you need to cook something are
Ingredients.
great. Question 3. Instructions for cooking are A.
Recipe.
Nice. Question 4. Cooking in hot oil is perfect.
That was great practice.
Now let's go back to fun food talk.
Yes, because we are still hungry.
Always.
Henry, when you go to a restaurant, what do you order?
I often order something safe.
Safe food.
Yes, something I know, like noodles or rice.
Do you try new food?
Sometimes, but I need a brave friend with me.
I can be your brave friend.
Thank you. You are my food hero.
I will wear a cape made of lettuce.
That is the healthiest cape.
I like to order something from the local menu.
Local means from that place.
Yes. If I travel, I want to taste the place.
That is a beautiful idea.
Food is culture.
Culture is the way people live, food, music, language, and more.
Yes, and food is an easy way to learn culture.
Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Sometimes. Do you?
I want to say no, but the truth is yes.
Honest Henry again.
If there is ice cream, I am interested.
What flavor?
Vanilla or chocolate.
Classic.
And you?
I love mango ice cream.
Mango is bright and fruity,
Yes, it feels like summer.
even in winter.
Exactly.
What about snacks?
I like fruit as a snack.
Healthy Sophia.
Apple slices, bananas, or oranges.
I like crackers.
Crackers are crunchy.
Crunchy means it makes a crunch sound when you eat it.
Great word.
But crackers can be salty,
True.
and then I get thirsty.
Salty food makes you want water.
Yes.
Do you bake, Henry?
Bake? Like cakes and bread?
Yes.
I do not bake. I am afraid of the oven.
The oven is just a hot box.
Yes. A hot box that can burn my food.
You already burned toast, so maybe baking is not ready yet.
Thank you for your support.
I support you with honesty.
Sophia, do you bake?
Sometimes, I bake simple banana bread.
Banana bread smells so good.
Yes, the whole home smells sweet.
That is a kind of comfort, too.
True, smell can be comfort.
Now, let's recap our main ideas in simple English.
Yes, a short recap helps memory.
Today, we talked about favorite foods.
Henry loves noodles.
Sophia loves rice with curry.
We talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We talked about snacks and desserts.
We talked about cooking, recipes, and ingredients.
And we learned important words like toppings, greasy, flavor, and frying.
Great work, everyone.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, question of the day.
What is your comfort food?
What food makes you feel calm, safe, and happy?
It can be from your country.
It can be from your family.
It can be sweet or salty.
Tell us what it is and why you love it.
Thank you for practicing English with us.
You are doing a great job.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep trying.
And please eat something tasty today.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time on Join Confident English Cast.